जीत लो हर लम्हा, जीत लो हर लम्हा, बीत जाने से पहले लौट कर यादें आती है, वक्त नहीं। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबडी। दिस इज मी, नासिर हुसैन। आई एम फ्रॉम राजस्थान। Thank you so much for having me this such a platinum opportunity to share my opinion about this topic, this crucial topic. The topic is how to spend our free time. Before going ahead, I would like to ask to you one question, guys. Free time, spare time is really existing in our life? Okay, but according to me, it is not existing. Why? Because if you have a solid dream, if you have a powerful dream, that means you don't have much time. You don't have much time. How can you say you have a free time? Guys, I guarantee you, if you have a powerful dream, you don't have much time. You have to fulfill your dream in a particular time period. You don't have much time. If you have a lot of free and spare time, that means you don't have a special, yeah, big dream. You don't have a dream, I guarantee you. Guys, it's a dark reality. If you have a lot of spare time, that means you have no any big dream in your life. So guys, please focus it. If you still have some free time, yeah, spare time, so I would like to suggest you, please invest your time with yourself. Invest your time. Don't spend your time, invest your time to know your weakness, to know your strength, to know yourself. What is your weakness, what is your strength? Because I guarantee you, if you know you once, that who you are, if you know once who you are, you can do anything, whatever do you want, you can do definitely. If I talk about myself, before came here, I have wasted my many time because I didn't know myself. But now I have known what I am. And of course, now I don't have spare time. I'm utilizing my time, not I am spending my time. So guys, don't spend your time. Please utilize your time. Utilize your every second. Invest your time. You have to know yourself, what you are, what is your quality, what is your strength, what is your weakness. Second thing I would like to suggest you, please utilize your time with nature. Just don't fulfill formalities. In the morning, I visited in the park. I can't express you. When I was walking on the grass without slippers, guys, what all I felt, I can't express you. You know, When we spend time with nature, it gives us a special energy, a special peace, and it can help you a lot to achieve your success, to be healthy, to be maintain your peace. So guys, utilize your time with nature. And third thing I would like to suggest you, if you are very tensed, if you are not able to share your problem with anyone, if you are feeling very bad, you are not able to do anything, so please go alone and cry a lot with your bottom of heart. Cry. Why am I saying to you cry? Because sometime cry is a best therapy to reduce your heaviness, to reduce your mental pressure, to reduce your tense. So guys, please, in this situation cry, because I know many people, I think you also know, they don't know how to cry in tough time, in their tough time. They are not able to cry in their hard time. So guys, they will commit suicide directly. I saw, I noticed in my society, they commit suicide directly. So guys, learn how to cry in our hard time. And fourth thing I would like to suggest you, please go to mosque, go to temple, whatever you want, whatever you follow, you should go. Read holy books like Quran, Gita, whatever you want to read. Don't read. Please lose yourself and forget yourself. Don't think anything about the world, about the society. Forget everything. Because when we do this kind of activities, we feel a special energy inside us. We feel a positivity, and it will help you guarantee in your future. So we can maintain our peace by spirituality. Guys, spirituality is a most powerful thing to maintain your peace. And fifth thing I would like to suggest you, please utilize your time with your family, with your parents. You know, I saw many people now who are who have everything like money, and they are very successful in their life, but they are not happy because they they couldn't they couldn't achieve that success in their parents time, and today their parents are no more, only they have a regret in their life left. So guys, we need to get success while while our parents are alive. It is a real success. If you achieve success in this time, in your parents period, when your parents are alive, guys, it is a real success, because by your success you can make them proud, so that they can say proudly, he's my son, she's my daughter. Guys, you must give them this chance, this movement, to say proudly, he's my son, she's my daughter. It's a real success. So guys, don't waste your time. It's valuable time. But nowadays, what are we doing? Just we are scrolling reels, and we are making girlfriend and boyfriend. Guys, according to us, it's our free time, it's our spare time. But you are wrong. It's not your spare time, it's not your free time. It's time to do something, it's time to achieve something, it's time to prove yourself, it's time to do something for your society, for your parents, for your country, for your village. It's time to work on yourself, it's time to achieve some better, it's time to work on your weakness, it's time to develop our skill. Guys, it's not our spare time, it's our valuable time and working time. I want to finish my conversation with a quotation. मुझे दुख है इस बात का कि वक्त बहुत कम है, मुझे दुख है इस बात का कि वक्त बहुत कम है, बट खुशी है इस बात की कि अभी भी वक्त है, अभी भी वक्त है. So guys, it's never too late. Come on, do it.